So guys, y'all were wondering who Rahul actually is. He's here with us today. He's taking us around his homestay.
You know, the outer layer of this bark is like which is similar to this thing, okay?
Crocodile skin.
Crocodile skin, so it's named after that crocodile bark tree. In
Oh,
Kannada, it is called as matti,
Matti.
and this wood are one of the strongest wood. And you can also find this, in the railway tracks. You have a foundation which is given. Now it's concrete.
Okay,
Before they
yes.
used to use this.
Oh, nice.
Very hard tree they are.
Crocodile
Bark tree.
bark tree.
And that one is, see this parasiting effect. You can see that there is one tree. The host tree has been caught by another tree.
Oh,
That
yes.
is a parasite. So one fine day the parasite will stand in that place and they will kill the other one. They will eat off the main
So
host
the
tree.
host will no longer be
Yes.
existing. Lots to learn in nature.
Very true.
So when are y'all coming, guys? Don't y'all feel like, aren't y'all tempted already? We are going to learn a lot about nature today. Before that, let me tell you all something about Rahul. Rahul is a conservationist and also an activist. He is also a part of Sensex team, which conducts the counting of animals every 4 years. He also educates locals how to behave when there is a wild animal encounter. He's a writer as well. He has written books. But Rahul, have you published any book yet?
No, not it.
He does not like fame.
Book is only for the local students.
Okay, that's only for
Only
locals.
the rescues which I done it in the
Okay, and yes, he has also rescued a number of animals, wild animals, around Andeli.
See a pugmark, always remember to keep a measurement thing. Identify what it is. Leopard ka as compared to the tigers, it is little bit smaller one, and the tigers pugmarks is the each limb is like little bit separate. This is
Okay.
all packed. This is leopard. It's not clean,
Yes, yes.
but this is leopard.
Oh my god!
Look at this. It's getting exciting. We just spotted a pugmark and we noticed it only because Rahul was there, or else Carmen and me would have just walked. So Rahul, what do you want to say about Dandeli?
This is a tiger reserve. This is a elephant reserve and hornbill conservation reserve. Throughout the world, if there is any hornbill conservation reserve, it's only in Dandeli because we find 4 species of hornbill in Dandeli. So all 3 are called as indicator species. Okay, anyone, for example, if a forest has an elephant, that represents a good forest. Similarly with the tiger and hornbills. And in Dandeli we have all the indicator species. So just imagine about the biodiversity.
So it is very rich in
Exactly.
diversity.
Yes.
And also Dandeli is known for its majestic black cat.
Yes. It's majestic
And
leopard.
so according to me, there is just one black cat. Is that true?
No, we have more than now we have completed with the tiger census. We have 30 tigers
Oh
plus
wow.
221 leopards. Melanistic leopard, as per my personal opinion, it might be in range of 20 to 25 or maybe more than 30.
Guys, are you all listening that there is not just one black panther in Dandeli, there is more than that.
Yes.
But what do you suggest? Don't have any hopes of spotting it
No.
because it is very rare, right?
Yes. See, the vegetation is mixed. It's not a grassland. As you can see around, like it's mix of all the vegetation. We have bamboos, we have teak, we have many other such trees and plants around. So the visibility it's not so good. But when it comes to the biodiversity, this is one of the biodiversity hotspot, and it is in the heart of the Western Ghats. So you can also hear the sounds of the birds around. So this
Yes,
is called as paradise.
my morning actually I woke up due to the alarm call, the birds chirping. So that is something good. So all you nature lovers, when you are planning for a trip to Dandeli, come with an intention that you all are going to enjoy the nature at its best. Don't have any hopes of spotting a wildcat because you all can see how dense, how thick the forest is. Even if there is something besides you, you all won't be able to actually spot it if there is no movement. What is this called, Rahul?
Tickles blue flycatcher. Black-hooded oriole.
Nice, nice.
Dandeli is a paradise for bird lovers.
See, woodpecker जब knock करता है ना,
हाँ जी.
in 1 second they might knock up till 20 to 21 times.
So many reps.
Yeah, in between the time wave of 1 second to 1 second.
Okay,
That's
that quick.
And that strength they get it with the they have a long
Tongue, yes.
which covers the skull, and it gives the cushion effect to this thing.
The
Because
beak,
the stroke which they do it, if they don't get the cushion, they get the brain this thing damaged.
Okay, yes,
That's a
right.
natural thing that they cover their skull with the tongue and they get the cushion effect.
I thought it is to eat the insects inside the bark.
They remove the bark. They don't literally do a hole inside that. Okay, they remove the bark, and behind the bark you have that this thing.
Got it.
Yes, so that's how it is.
This is something what I learnt. Rahul, what are these marks?
See, this is like the wild tusker it has done. Okay, so it marks its territory, and also it shows that how big it is. It is the toppest peak of that, where it is showing the other elephants that I am so big, and this is my territory. Be away. And they
Okay.
also eat the bark of these trees.
Okay, so even elephants mark their territories like big cats.
They generally do it. See, that's the height of that peak, and they eat this, the barks, the outer bark of this tree. And
Okay.
this is the sagwani tree, teak. Teak.
Teak wood.
Dandeli is famous for teak. It's world number one in this one.
Guys, you all are learning a lot. Do like
It is-
the
This
video.
is also named as a teli because of the oil content which it has. And more the oil, it sustains long time.
Oh,
So
okay.
this is world famous teak in Dandeli.
This is the elephant dung, right?
Yes. There was a road once upon a time. Now because there is no people coming in, it has automatically, the nature has taken it over.
It was once a road, as Rahul mentioned earlier, and now look at it. This tree growing on it.
The area we are about to enter now is considered to be the corridor for the movement of wild animals.
Так дайте пацанам посчитать потери. Суммы нули погибают на сцене. Снова один, прогуляюсь без тени. Заливаю лик, поцелуй на шею. Как там правда назад, черный каскад. Вижу твой взгляд, степь многояд. Мог тебя взять, но ты не моя. Так дайте пацанам посчитать потери. Суммы нули погибают на сцене. Снова один, прогуляюсь без тени. Заливаю лик, поцелуй на шею. Как там правда назад, черный каскад. Вижу твой взгляд, степь многояд. Мог тебя взять, но ты не моя. Эти понты покупались в аду. Твои мозги затупились к утру. Так дайте пацанам посчитать потери. Суммы нули погибают на сцене. Снова один, прогуляюсь без тени. Заливаю лик, поцелуй на шею. Как там правда назад, черный каскад. Вижу твой взгляд, степь многояд. Мог тебя взять, но ты не моя. Так дайте пацанам посчитать потери. Суммы нули погибают